Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss an important update from Dropbox on your mobile device, enabling the default pop-up notification is the way to go. It's quick, simple, and keeps you instantly in the loop whenever there's activity in your Dropbox account. Let me walk you through the updated steps to set it up. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you can manage all your app notifications and customize how you get alerted. Once in Settings, scroll down and tap on the Apps section. Here you'll see a list of all installed applications on your device. Next, find and select Dropbox from that list. This takes you to Dropbox's specific app settings. Now, tap on Notifications to open up all the notification options available for Dropbox. Inside Notifications, look for notification categories. This section breaks down the types of notifications Dropbox can send. Among these categories, tap on the one labeled Default. Here's the important part. Make sure to toggle on the option called Show as Pop-up. This setting enables Dropbox notifications to appear as pop-up alerts on your screen, so you catch them right away without having to unlock your phone or open the app. Once toggled on, you're all set. From now on, any important updates, file changes, or shared folder activity in Dropbox will send you a pop-up notification, giving you instant visibility. If you ever want to customize these alerts further or adjust other notification preferences, you can always return to the same notification categories menu in your phone settings. Following these steps will ensure your Dropbox notifications are both timely and noticeable, helping you stay organized and informed wherever you go. Thanks for watching.